So today we were told that the school site was being recognized for our CAS scores and our steady growth within our school. But in actuality, it was the Milken Award was presented to myself, which was a huge surprise. So when I did hear my name called, it was very humbling, but also very awkward. I was told by the district office that we were celebrating this other award, so I was telling staff members what the award was about. So like I mentioned earlier, it's kind of the joke, we planned our own surprise party. And the surprise was the recipient of the award. So it was definitely humbling though. So I grew up in Yucaipa, California, which is a neighboring town. From there, went to college, and then I became an educator, probably because of my mom. Can I do that again? I don't want to say probably.
Sure.
Okay, sorry, I'm going to do that again. So I grew up in Yucaipa, California, which is a neighboring town from here in Beaumont. Went to college and became an educator because of my mom. She was a school teacher, school administrator, from everything in between. I originally started off at Norte Vista down in Riverside, and then became a water polo coach and a teacher in Bonita Unified down in Laverne. From there, we had our kids and we wanted to move back home. So I applied for Beaumont Unified School District and then started off at the high school as an assistant principal, and now the principal here at this amazing Brookside Elementary. So when I came here to Brookside Elementary, amazing staff from the get-go. There were several principals here before I ever arrived that just laid an amazing foundation for what the school is. Their true goal is just to carry on that success and support our educators and support our students and support staff so they can achieve everything that they can achieve and everything they're possible to achieve. This Brookside community is a very well-established community within Beaumont, and it's just an amazing community that always has supports of the site, and really, like I mentioned earlier, it takes a village, and our community and parents are part of that village for sure. Truly, it's the students, but then also working with staff members. I really do enjoy working with staff to solve problems, to help the staff member, because they're the ones in front of the kid every single day. And when the kid succeeds, the school succeeds. So that is the passion, to make sure that our kids are ready to go and they're ready for that next level of life. I'm very humbled and very honored, so thank you so much.